how to pronounce ZEEKR in Chinese. ZEEKR or ZEEKR.
Oh no!
In Pinyin or in Chinese phonetic alphabet, G is rising tone and K is falling tone. Together, Ji, Ke. Know that rise, then fall for the brand's ultimate feel. Ji means extreme or ultimate, highlighting peak performance and user experience. Ke refers to krypton, the noble gas that glows under electric discharge, symbolizing tech power in the new energy era. The English name combines Z for Generation Z and ZEEKR from geek, emphasizing usefulness and tech leadership. Some say 即刻, 机科. Relax, stick with 即刻 every time. Fun fact: Krypton appears in sci-fi as Superman's home planet. But here is a real noble gas. ZEEKR brings that cosmic energy down to Earth. With the motto, co-creating the ultimate mobility experience, ZEEKR plans to expand its electric luxury lineup and redefine our drive. That's it for the Chinese pronunciation and meaning of ZEEKR. Next time you hear 即刻, don't mispronounce it again. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.